Come with me on a hike to Shenandoah National Park.
I got picked up by Raph.
Hi.
I got cereal in a Ziploc bag as my breakfast.
Breakfast. Wanted something sweet. I want some.
Say hi to my vlog, Kristen.
Hi.
For my Eboard intro.
Oh, hello Eboard. I love Fasa.
Happy birthday, Rap.
Happy
birthday. You know,
Hey, bro. This is my vlog.
I'm very tired.
Hindi ko mawari ang tagal ay mong tinatangi. Sadya namang katabighani. Di may paliwanag ang nararamdaman.
Yo, we arrived. I know how to vlog. Where we at, Mark?
why do I have my dad's keys? He's not going nowhere today. Oh, pants are off. I popped the honey pack. We going crazy today. Cross. You got a cross. If y'all want to like go on that rock.
We have to cross this river. Or water. Yeah, this feels so nice. By now, you're probably wondering, who am I? Well, my name is Francis, or Sis. I am a senior. I currently don't go to UMBC, but I used to go there. And I am one of your historians this year. Thank you. We made it to the next location. I got a boo-boo. How's the hike so far?
I'm gassed, but I hit my runner's high.
How's the hike so far, Kristen? How's the hike so far?
I'm gassed, but it's good. I feel happy I'm not in bed right now.
How's the hike so far, Sage?
I'm chilling, man. I'm gassed.
How's the hike so far, AJ? Editor, blur that. Look at my feet in this water. It feels good. Oh my god. We split off in a group, but that's okay. Because in life, you just gotta go at your own pace. All it is a leap of faith. And you gotta, sometimes you just gotta go out and you gotta do your own thing. Alright, peace out. Hi guys, I'm sitting here because I am cramping really bad. I've been cramping. This is my last update. I am stuck here. My whole leg is cooked. Specifically my calves are cooked. And it's really frustrating because I'm not tired, but my legs are giving out. And literally, we're almost there. Hi guys. Hey, Kristen just chilling. We gonna be here for an hour. We're stranded. Help!
Shut up, girl.
I think we practically at the end. There's cars over there, and we just waiting to get picked up. Hey guys, it is raining. We're still at the same spot. SOS. There's two trees that look like monsters.
Oh my god, shut up.
Let me show y'all. That tree looked like a goat head. That tree over there looks like a goat man. Hey guys, up there, the goat Chander, who helped me throughout wants to try the trail with my cramps. Just pick this up.
And then I looked up and there was
He did it! I thought I was gonna be stuck in there eating Mark's leg or something.
What your experience?
12 out of 10. Shit was easy. We'll do it again. Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
I was lied to. I thought this was 4 miles.
We're cooked.
We're lost in the woods. We got blisters on our feet. No food, no water, 0 water.
Yeah, we here to get some Uncle Julio. Yo, I can't walk. Got our ball. That's my stuff.
Why am I crying?
Hey, look at that moon.
Talking to the
Lagi kita ngawitan
True.
Di man sasawa Di ka pababayaan sa sayaw kita.
Hey guys, I don't really know how to end this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am really tired. Goodbye.